तो इस सभा में देश के साथ साथ विदेश से भी अनेकों महानुभाव हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं और इस कड़ी में मैं अब आमंत्रित कर रहा हूं अमेरिका से हमारे साथ जैना के प्रेसिडेंट, जैना संस्था के अध्यक्ष आदरणीय भाई महेश भाई वडेर साहब, जो इस समय अमेरिका से हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, कि वो आए और श्री माँ के प्रति अपने भाव व्यक्त करें। आदरणीय भाई महेश भाई वडेर साहब।
Pranam, Jai Jinendra. I represent the Federation of Jain Associations in North America, Jaina, which is an umbrella organization of 72 Jain centers in the USA and Canada, representing 150,000 members. The last 2 years has not been kind to humanity, and we continue to witness events that are unimaginable and bewildering. Loss of Indumaji is just not a loss to her family. It is a profound loss to the very fabric of Indian society. She has left behind a legacy that will continue to impact the society for a very, very long time. A visionary person of multiple talents, firm resolve, and a soft heart. I'm not going to talk about her charitable activities. I want to appreciate her social activities. When she inherited the responsibility of Times Group, she transformed the organization to be inclusive and compassionate, setting a new corporate trend in India. Besides the heavy responsibilities of heading the Times Group, she founded Times Foundation in 2000, active in education, health, environment, women empowerment, and disaster management. Both her sons, Samir and Vinith, are the leaders of India's media establishment, naturally. But it is to be noted that even her granddaughter, Urshila Jain, is following in her footsteps and participating in issues of women's empowerment. This is how a humane dynasty is created. She also served as the head of the board of trustees of Bharatiya Gnanpith Trust founded by Sahu Shanti Prasad Jain in 1944, which awards prestigious Gnanpith Award for literature in multiple Indian languages. She was also the guiding force behind the Oneness Forum launched in 2003 to promote unity in the world. The Mahavir Mahatma Award was instituted under the aegis of the forum to promote Mahavir and Mahatma Gandhi's principle of ahimsa, non-violence. She was founder president of FICCI Ladies Organization FLOW, which is a division of Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, established in 1983 to promote entrepreneurship and professional excellence among women in India. 38 years and still going strong. It is the largest group of women in industry. We can go on and on for her achievements and services to the nation. On behalf of Jaina Executive Committee, Jaina Board of Directors, and the entire Jain community of North America, I offer our prayers and condolences to the family. May her soul rest in peace and bliss. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Thank you, respected Shri Mahesh Bhai Wadeer ji.